Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So I will show the technique how to answer this integral in here. We have the integral of 4b to the power of 3x. We know that s in the power. So in this situation, we can get the answer of this one. So we keep about this one in here and we put number 4. So because we have p, so we put about ln of p in here. Because we have number 3, so we put number 3 in here. Now we just finished about the first one. The next one we have s, that's about 5p over s. In this situation we got about 5p multiplied with ln of absolute value of s. Because that's 1 over s, they will transform to ln of absolute value of s. The next one, tan s multiplied with secant s. So in this situation, you will go about secant s in here. The next one, we have cosecant of 3s to the power of 2. So we have number 3. We need to know that we put 1 over 3 outside in here. This is about cosecant, and in this situation we will use about costan 3s, and we need to put about the positive in here because we have a negative. If we do about costan of 3s, you will get about cosecant in the negative. This is why you need to remember about the derivative and the integral of this one. Next, 1 over e to the power of 3s, we can put about e to the power of negative 3s. So we keep about e to the power of 3s in here. And now we have the negative, so we put about negative 1 over 3. Next, we have 5 to the power of negative 7s. So we have similar for this one too. So we put about this one in here. And we have ln of number 5. And we have the negative 7. We put negative 7 in here. And the last one, the integral of p is about ps. And we put the final thing, that's about c is about constant. That's the end. Thank you for watching.